when you see your life's evictions or the things that you wish you embodied in somebody else. Sonke sinomona, all of us. But it depends on what do you do with your jealousy? Does this jealousy when you see somebody, I've seen educated women when I was growing up and I was like, oh my God, I wish I was like them. I've seen women who are making it and I was a young girl and there used to be like it's human nature. It's supposed to, it's a driving force. It depends on what you choose to do with it, ne? And when I instead, ngomona wako, ukuthi thina, we do not have videos of ourselves. I don't know where you were sitting with this person, but I don't have a video of doing somebody. I couldn't even comprehend how you could even, I don't know, kiss that person. And I didn't even think that they were in your caliber. But anyways, desperation will make people do unruly things. Yes, Londi London and Coleman now. And I hope you find this. And Minangizok, oh, now that's the difference. I don't know how you could have comprehended, but I kind of do understand that money was involved and that was your payout. And then you decided, oh, okay, I'm going to do this. But Musa Ukfunuguti, all of us need to die for Amacala Ako. That is wrong. I'm just going to tell you. So I sat there with this woman yesterday who kept not wanting to own anything that she ever did, anything that she ever said. Instead, Uzofagana, no ghost lady, of which I would call a ghost lady professional because she is working. I even said, a ghost lady, she's meant to provoke those types of feelings. It's TV, it sells, it is what it is. Uzofaka umuntu ongahlangene with anything because when you fail to just say ukuthi no mina thande angikufuni because A, B, C, and D, and then it die on your hill. And it's fine. It's okay. Ne? So you sit there and say I'm not reliable. And again, why ulambele my life so badly, like to know about my life? I don't get it. I've never seen somebody being crucified because they do not want to share their private life. Why must I share my private life with you? I'll tell you why you wanted that. You want something that you can use against somebody. You are the type of friend where people tell you something, then you're going to sit there and be like, oh, you know what? You came crying to me. You came this to me. I supported you as a friend. You're that type of a person. You've never had any sort of somebody came to you. Yeah, perhaps I don't know your friendships, but I can assume. Right now, let me assume. I can assume you're the type of person that wants to use things against other people. And sadly, that's not what you got from Mutandek. Sadly. Because you know why? I decided a long time ago what should be known about me and what should not be known about me. And I decided a long time ago as a young person to grow and make better decisions and not allow anybody to make decisions for me. Whether it was trending, whether it is something that was the in thing, and at that time, the in thing was what you were doing, which is fine, and it's okay. Okay? No one is judging you for Leonto Leo, but I'm going to come for you now and say something about you that you know more, sis, and you're spineless. And the fact that you couldn't own it yesterday when I sat in front of you and I hadn't the foggiest of notions what it is that you had said. And I won't lie to you, watching that video actually